Hello, today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the DJI Mic 2. Stay tuned till the very end because you get to hear the difference in audio from what you're hearing right now to what the product actually sounds like. And of course, we'll be covering the specifications and we'll be looking at just how great a product the DJI Mic 2 is. So let's start with an unboxing. And by the way, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And of course, please subscribe. That really helps us out, especially a small channel like ours. So let's go ahead and dig right into it so we can see for ourselves what the fuss is all about. And first off, you're gonna notice that it comes with a beautiful little carry case. We'll put it with the logo here. So that is great. And as you'll might be able to tell from all the rest of the videos I've done, it also comes with very minimal instructions with it. So there's a little tiny booklet inside, and there appears to be I don't know if this is a sticker or what this is, but I think most of us will probably just put this back in the box and forget about it. So let's go ahead and do that. These are quite easy to set up and use. So there's a zipper hidden here. So let's go ahead and open this. So first thing you'll notice is the fact that it is an all-in-one type of unit. Now, inside of here, you'll also find a few extra accessories and a whole lot of little bits and pieces here. Let's take a quick look at what it is. There's also silica gel. Won't be needing that. Make sure to give the young kids that they don't eat any of those things. So let's take a look at what this is. This is actually against the wind. In fact, we're probably going to turn this on, or use this rather, in a few moments. And this is really meant to reduce the wind noise. So this goes on one of the mics, and here's the other one. And so first off, what you'll find is from a compatibility point of view, you'll be able to connect this to a variety of things. There's USB-C. You're going to find a lightning port. You're also going to be able to, with this new version, use Bluetooth. So this is the case. Now, you'll notice is they've added a lock mechanism. And by lock, literally it's just that you press it and it unlocks. And I'm guessing that the older version perhaps opened up and things would fall out. Never happened to me with the mic, but the Mic 2 has this. This is metal, so it's aluminum, and it's really nice. So this is what you get right off the bat. You've got your two microphones, and they do come in two different colors, by the way. You can get these in white as well. I believe that the kit right now only comes with the black ones. I think they're more professional looking and they look great. And you've got the actual base here, which you can connect. And then you've got these connectors. So let me explain how this works. Well, first of all, the whole unit itself has a battery in it, so that will be able to charge the various components. The components themselves obviously have batteries or else they would run. And so what you end up wanting to do is you find the appropriate adapter here. So for example, if you're using an iPhone, then you'd be using this one. If you're using a USB-C or a future version of iPhones, then you've got the USB-C. Simply plug it in, it communicates back. And so you can then redirect your audio to an iPhone, to an Android phone, to wherever it is that you're using on the other end to produce videos and podcasts and so forth. So let's put all of this aside for now, and let's really talk about why you'd want to get this. Obviously, having two microphones allows you to have yourself and a guest. You'll get things like a larger touchscreen on top. You'll notice that these are actually semi-transparent in the front, so they're much more attractive. I think they look great. Ease of use, of course, goes without saying, quite simple. If you want to start recording, basically just press on here, and all of a sudden I get a light, and I am now recording. So you'll be able to record 14 hours on the built-in 8 gig memory, and the battery life is rated at 18 hours. So that's extended from the previous version. The other nice thing is the range. So if you want to get away, whether you're connecting this to a drone, for example, you can go up to 250 meters. That's 820 feet. So it's a decent distance from the source. Now, Apart from that, you're going to find a lot of really useful features, such as this magnetic back here, where you can just put it onto your clothes. In fact, let's go ahead and do that. And there you go. So at this point, I'm talking to the mic. We'll be able to switch back and forth to show you what difference it makes from a sound quality point of view. So talking about audio quality, so this now has a 32-bit float internal. And as well, you'll find that it's got noise canceling features that were not in the previous version. So that alone will help you if you're in a busy environment, if you're doing a trade show, if you're outside doing automotive, for example, there's a lot of vehicles around, or if you're in heavy traffic, this will certainly come in real handy to make sure that you get the best possible audio out of the reporting or the presentation that you're giving at the time. So as you can tell, the DJI is not only easy to use, it's got really great feedback, so you can see what's being recorded, and you'll always get the best possible audio out of any situation for any recording you may need to do. Now, I'm going to give you a huge tip here. If you want to extend the warranty by 1 year, go ahead and find the QR code that is inside the package, scan that, and they will actually add a whole year to your warranty. And by that, they actually specify, and that's on their website right now, that they will replace it. So they're not just going to fix it, they're actually just going to send you a new one or a refurbished one in exchange for yours that you simply sent back. So that's certainly worth it if you can find that QR code in there, and go ahead and take a picture of that and follow the instructions. So I'm Bob Pellerin, CTOBOB. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please leave us some comments below. We'd love to hear back from you. You can also visit www.ctobob.com. And of course, let us know what you think of the audio. Is it better than the previous version? How are you using it? I would love to find out in the comments below. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.